Hey Olga, this is Steven. Just wanted to send you a quick video tutorial on how to place a call using your Bluetooth in your Equinox. So what you'll need to do is, once your phone is paired, which we did before you took it, you have the voice command button on the steering wheel here. You need to press and hold this button until this pops up on the screen. After you hear the beep, you just tell it what to do. I'm going to cancel it really quick here. If you can't hear the beep after you see that logo pop up, you can adjust with the volume to make that beep louder. I'll show you how to do that. Press and hold here, and then you see when I turn the volume, there's a voice volume function there. And then to give you an idea on how it works...
You don't seem to be playing anything right now.
It's trying to take over. Just to give you an idea on how it works, when you press and hold, you'll wait for the beep. Call Stephen Lawrence, work.
Calling Stephen Lawrence, work.
And I do have that number saved in my phone, so now it's calling my office line here. So that is how the calls will work. If anyone calls you, it will ring in the car and it'll show you on the screen who's calling. You can either hit answer or decline on the screen, or here this is answer or decline. So if you have any other questions, please just let me know. Thanks.